Well, students, we are now running New Year 2022, right? So this is the beginning of the year, the starting month of the year that is called January. So as good students or active students, of course, you must have good plan along this year. So the plan can be whatever you're gonna achieve, whatever you're gonna do, especially building up your good personality and good development. Okay, so I would like to ask everybody. This is talking about life resolution, so I'm going to start from maybe Cynthia. Would you please tell a little bit of your life resolutions in 2022? You mean social media? Social media. Okay. What's next?
I will try to enter superior school like Sabasuro or Delhi, and also I will follow science class.
Science class. Okay. Well, I'm going to give one more question. This is related to your personal development. If any, for example, any, what is the bad thing that you would like to change?
I will go back early and sleep at early.
Sorry?
I will go back early and
Go to bed early. Go to bed early. What time do you want to go to bed? 9 o'clock. Okay, so is that all that you would like to change? Okay, thank you so much, and hopefully you stick on your plans. Okay, stick on your plans and focus, concentrate. If it is possible, you have to stick the list of what things that you would like to do on the wall of your bedroom, on the wall of your house, so that you can be committed. Okay, because sometimes people can forget what to do even though they have written on notes, on papers, on diaries. So you need to put them bigger, right? Bigger, and put them anywhere that you frequently see in your house. Understand? Okay. Well, thank you. So now is the second student. Our break student is Novi. Well, Novi, I would like to ask about your life resolution because this is the starting month of the year. So as good people, good students, we need to plan our year so that to the end of the year you can scale, you can review what you have achieved, what you have done, and what you have failed. So please tell us about your life resolution.
Okay, sir. I wish I can. I wish I can learn a new language.
New language?
Language like Korean language.
Korean language.
I wish I can play more every day. I wish I can hear spiritual song every day. I wish I can help my parents more. I wish I can eat regularly.
Eat regularly. How many times a day?
3.
3 times a day. Okay. So before, how many times did you have food before?
Sometimes 2
2 times.
sometimes 1.
Wow, so bad. Okay. Sometimes one meal and 2 meals. Okay. Yeah, I think I agree that you have to change. You should have meals 3 times a day so that you don't have to split. Okay. Thank you so much. If any, what would you like to change? The bad habit that you would like to change?
I will reduce playing handphones.
Reduce playing handphones. Why? Why do you have to reduce playing handphones? Why do you think it is bad?
Because handphone
you play handphone, it will observe your time. It will make you forget activities, it will make you forget homeworks, houseworks, given by parents. So I agree. Okay, stick to your plans. Okay. Next, I'm talking to the third student, Elizabeth. Would you please tell us about your life resolutions in 2022?
Okay, so this is my last resolution. The first, I want to choose my meditation or meditation. And then in this April, I want to, at least I accomplish my resolution with good value, and I can achieve my education to collaborate system as well. At least I can create good balance between education and life. And I can save my and invest my money.
Saving money. Okay, how much do you want to save? Weekly or monthly? Every week or every month? Every week. How much would you like to save? 10,000. That's a good start. Okay, I think 10,000 is good to save. Even though you're a student, but I think it is possible for you to save money because you will need more money for education next time in the future. Okay. So, if it is possible, what would you like to change from bad habit into good habit?
So eat healthier food and get more sleep.
Eat healthier food and get more sleep. How many hours did you sleep on last year? 3 hours. That was too bad. So you should minimally sleep 5 or 6 hours a day, right? 5 to 6 hours a day is allowed to sleep. 3 hours is too bad. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for your discussion, and hopefully you're committed to your plans, and if it is possible you write down the notes. Okay, bigger notes and stick on the wall of your bedroom, on diaries, on books, so that every day, every morning you can look at them and you can remember to do that. Thank you so much. Our beautiful student here, Catherine. How are you today, Catherine? You're great. I'm so happy to have you again here. You're getting more beautiful and more healthy. Okay, now we are talking about life resolution in 2022. Would you please share to us about your life resolution? Would you please speak louder? Speak louder. Very good.
New resolution is I will reduce playing handphone. I won't wake up at 6 a.m.
6 a.m.
Yes, I want to make my mother happy. I hope its score UN is good. And I will eat the
Well, would you please share what bad habit would you like to change?
I want study the
You want to study the German. Any other things that you would like to change? No. Okay, thank you so much. So please get committed to your plans. Even one simple plan is good. One simple plan you can realize, if you can do it, it's good. Okay? You don't have to do many changes, but one change, 2 changes is good. Understand? Okay, next to my student, Lady. How are you doing, Lady? How are you doing, Lady? You're happy. Okay. Well, Lady, so happy to be with you back here. So we're gonna talk about the life resolution in 2022, because this is the starting month of the year. So we need to plan activities, we plan programs, we plan hopes to achieve and to do along this year. Would you please share us your life resolution?
life resolution
have, what is the bad habit that you would like to change in this year?
I would like serious study.
Seriously to study. How do you describe being serious?
Because I want to make my parents happy with my study.
Okay, study. Okay, thank you so much. And thanks for sharing. This is a very nice moment, and hopefully next time you have written your plans and your goals, you have to stick and commit. You have to do them. Even one simple activity, one simple plan, if you can make it realistic, it's really good. Okay? So hopefully you are blessed. You can be more spiritual, okay? More enthusiastic, and more dynamic in achieving your dreams. And I pray God helps you and your parents protect you, and you can work together with your parents, work together with friends, and work together with teacher to make your dreams come true. Because said, okay, so thank you very much for joining us.